Good day, beautiful people. Tickles from the I'm gonna be back with another tea. Add that sugar. I'm joking. Anyways, so today it is Saturday. I don't have any plans. Right? I don't have plans. Oh my god, my skin. I just woke up. Actually, I woke up like an hour ago. I woke up and I watched a movie on my phone. I scrolled a bit on TikTok. And then that's all that's that's all my god. As I was saying, that's all I did for the day, for the morning ish. So right now I'm about to wake up, clean my room, wash the dishes, and then like chill, maybe watch TV, maybe go out. I don't know. Who knows? Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, blah blah blah, and do the most. Do the most. Guys, it's alright. Just give me time. Give me time. Yeah, give me time. I'm gonna be ready by the day. I'm gonna be ready. So life update, guys. I've been going through some things. If you checked, it's been a while since I posted. Yeah, man. So I've been like locked in my room for like 3 days, and my room is a mess. My wardrobe is a mess. My floor clothes are everywhere. I see plates. I see plates. And you know what? They say a healthy space brings a healthy mind. So I'm just about to clean. Oh my god. It's been a while since I've like gotten up from bed, but like yeah, let's just clean up and see what the day takes us. Eh?